Hi YouTube, it's Bo from Laxblot, and here I have a Proton Power strung with my specific Proton Power pocket. I think I'm going to name it the P2. A nice, really, a nice mid-high, I'd say. It goes really high, but since it's custom, traditional, it shifts from high to mid to even low for one-handed cradling. Not super low, but decent. And it performs really well out of mid to high, so right around here. And it just looks nice. Has a nice channel. I did gray and then gray here, gray center with the pita twist, gray shooters, and black everything else. In real life, it looks really sweet. And yeah, so thank you.